So as he goes, these strings go back and forth. His tail is all bustled up. He can't move his tail to knock off those flies. I had an Amish group come in 3 weeks ago, and they were a lot of fun. One of the old guys said, "When I was a boy, we did that.
Aww.
Now we have a special insect repellent. Just like you put on insect repellent when you go on the bike,
Yeah.
they have a special insect repellent they put on the horse,
Okay.
rather than using these strings. Okay? So, any questions about the museum or how you could buy in 1890? It's a rooster. I call it the Rolls Royce of carriages. In a way it is, because in 1924, the end of the carriage era, the Rolls Royce luxury vehicle you could buy.
At the time.
And they were really proud of their beveled and curved glass on
First class, yeah.
the front. Everything about this, even the knots on the buggy whip handle, they're specially designed so when it rains, they collect water and I can shake it off. $40 and to $100 each horses. And you can have seats for kids, or you can take the seats off and fill it up with bricks, carry freight. Now, the rule is, you know what a Vanderbilt is?
Yeah, the guy who made the railroad.
Rich is the richest family in America at the turn of the century.
Right.
Now, Vanderbilt women were taking these vehicles, showing off. They'd go to the beach, or they'd go to the lake. Women were smaller, and it's lightweight wicker, so it doesn't need a brake. The horse can need a brake. And wicker is gorgeous,
Wow.
but it doesn't
Wow.
last very long. Now, if you're a Vanderbilt, do you care?
I would not.
Okay, no. For my assistant, what is a milkman? It has an
Just
automobile style
zero
drum
dairy.
brake. Not the kind of friction brake that he demonstrated, but an automobile style drum brake. Okay, I'm going to use the rest of two.
Train. Kuat mo train. Hi, baby.
Yeah, that big engine.